Today we are see that lowest common multiple. Okay, multiple multiples which are common in the multiples of given number are called common multiples. Okay, for example, find the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6. Okay, so that multiple of 2, multiple of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, multiple of 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on. Okay, so that the common multiple is 6, here 6, 12, here 12, okay, 18 and 18. So that these three are more common multiples of 2, 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18. Okay, so that the lowest common multiple is 6. Okay, so that the lowest common multiple of 2 and 6 is 6. Okay, now property of lowest common multiple. Property first. Lowest common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of the given number. Okay, the LCM, for example, LCM of 15 and 40 is 120. Okay, so that 120 divided by 15 is equal to 8 and 120 divided by 40 is equal to 3. Okay, property second. If a number is a factor of the other number, their lowest common multiple will be greatest number itself. Okay, for LCM of 9 and 18. Okay, so that the multiple of 9 is 18. Okay, So that the highest number 18. So that 18 is the LCM of 9 and 18. Property third. The lowest common multiple of two co-prime number is their product. Okay? Two co-prime number. For example, LCM of 9 and 16 is equal to 9 into 16 is equal to 144. Property 4. The lowest common multiple of two or more number cannot be less than any one of them. Okay? अब यहाँ से देखिए भाई LCM हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है, फाइंड द LCM of 20, 44 and 80. The prime factor of 20 is 2, 10 ja, 2, 5 ja, 5, 1 ja. Okay? And the prime factors of 44 is 2, 22, 2, 11, 1. Prime factors of 80, 2, 40, 2, 20, 2, 10 ja, 2, 5 ja, 5, 1 ja. So that the prime factor of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. The prime factor of 44 is equal to 2 into 2 into 11. And prime factors of 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay? So that the lowest common multiples is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 11, 2 into 2 into 5. Okay? 2 into 2 into 5 ये तीनों में कॉमन हो गए, into 11 into 2 into 2. This is equal to 880. Okay? Now शॉर्टकट मेथड से देखिए भाई, शॉर्टकट मेथड से निकाल सकते हैं. फाइंड द LCM of 18, 24 and 16. Okay? So that 18, 24, 16. 2, 9 ja, 12 ja, 30 ja. Again divided by 2, 9 ja, 6 ja, 5 ja. Again divided by 3, 3 ja, 2 ja, 5 ja. These are the different number. So that LCM of 18, 24, 16 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. This is equal to 360. Okay? Now exercise 8.5. Exercise 8.5. Question number 1. write the multiple of following number and find their lowest common multiples. Okay, A 6 5, so that the multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, okay, and so on. The multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30, and so on. So that the common multiple is, common factor is, or common multiple is 30. Okay, so that the LCM of or lowest common multiple of 6 and 5 is 30. Okay, B 3 7, the multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. The multiple of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and so on. The common multiple of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay, the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay, E 4, 8, 12. The multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 8, 16, 24, 30, 32, 40, and so on. 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. The common multiple of these three is, sorry, 24. Okay, 24, A24. So that the SCF or LCM of 8, 4, 8 and 12 is 24. Okay, thank you.